Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how we can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we want to open up our standalone contacts application like this one. From here, click on the three dots and select Settings, choose Import Export, and then Import from SIM card. Now, for me, that was SIM 1, that's where the card is placed on, but if you, for instance, place your SIM card on the bottom side of the tray, then that would say SIM card 2. Now, no matter, once you select whichever one, it will display all the contacts on your device, and from here you can just select all of them quickly by clicking right here. You can deselect ones that you might not want, and from there click on OK. This will then import all selected contacts to your contacts list right over here. Now, ASUS doesn't really do the best job at it. As you can see, it now shows contacts from the SIM card and on the device at the same time, so it doesn't detect that these contacts are exactly the same like other contact applications would. For instance, the contacts by Google will allow you to choose where you display contacts from, and that's honestly what I would recommend utilizing over this one. If you're wondering what the benefit of importing your contacts is on top of that, contacts that are stored on the SIM card don't have the options to have added notes and information, for instance, like addresses, birthday and stuff like that, and contact photos. Well, once it's on the device, you can add all of that. So that's the benefit of it. And here we have no way of actually, I think, hiding these contacts. Yeah, so it only allows you to show both of them at the same time. But in any case, that is how you import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.